Hey, good morning, guys. It's January 23, 2026, the last day of the week. It's Friday, and we have multiple news events, red folder news events throughout the day. I'm already up by 9 hours for the week in three trades: gold, GJ, which is really near to hit the take profit, and GU. So I'm gonna take it a little slow for this Friday. I'm not gonna. I was long somewhere around here, and there was my take profit. I was targeting for this relative highs, relative equal highs. So I'm gonna take it slow, and I'm not looking for new trades at this moment because it's possible that we're not going to make a new higher high for the week. But as there are multiple news events, it's possible that we're going to make a new higher high for the week. But I'm just going to let the price action unfold, and I will be waiting for a little deeper correction in USD before I start looking for longs. I was planning for this long. I was waiting for price to close above 38.2 in my last two session number 12 and 13. If you're new here, I will definitely recommend you to go and watch those videos first. Only then you will understand the storyline properly. Okay, I was looking for long in this one, but even after closing with a strong bullish candle above 38.2, I decided to skip this setup because I was already long in GU and gold, and I was not just interested into increase my exposure more to dollar short side. So I just skipped this setup, but right now I can still look for longs, but I will be waiting for a deeper correction at around this level, and possibly it's going to happen during the next Monday London session. I'm not expecting the weekly candle to make a new higher high on Friday. Let's see how it unfolds. In GBP USD, same story. I'm waiting for a deeper correction before I start looking for longs and target towards this high. In gold, same. I will be waiting for a deeper correction, and then we can target for a new all-time high. AUD USD, there is nothing. NZD USD, I'll be waiting for a deeper correction. In USD CHF, I was waiting for this. Believe me, I was waiting for this whole move, but I failed to execute it because I was already short in GU. I was waiting for this breakout and a deeper correction towards upside, but that didn't happen. And right now we are here. This is the weekly candle. It's possible that we are not gonna close below this low on the last day of the week. So I'll be waiting for a deeper correction in this one, and possibly I'm gonna plan for a short in USD CHF on next London session, Monday London session or Tuesday London session. Let's see how it unfolds. I will be waiting for more price action to unfold in this one. In this is something interesting. In USD JPY, we can look for longs. Honestly, this is a clean breakout, and we can spot this flip area and price just corrected back lower and bouncing from this flip area. The price is beautifully trading above 200 EMA in 4 hour, and we are possibly trading towards this all-time high in USD JPY. So overall, the sentiment is pretty bullish, but the only drawback here is that Dixie. In Dixie, the daily bias is actually bearish. Look at this strong bearish impulsive closure last day, and we can expect price to drop below the previous day's low and a little lower today. So that's clearly contradict our bias in USD JPY. So if Dixie managed to go below the low of the last day, so it's in that case, it's possible that we will end up hitting this trade will end up hitting our stop loss. But as I'm already up by 9 hours for the week, I afford that risk. So I will be waiting for a little correction, and then I will start planning for long. Why I'm waiting for a little correction? Because in that case I will be getting around 3 hour. If I plan my trade from current price, then it's around 2 hour. So it's better to wait for a little correction and then plan the trade. Yep, I'll be waiting for a correction below this kind of lows, and then if I find any kind of good rejection from this areas towards upside, I will start building my position in USD JPY. Let's see what's going on in USD CAD. USD CAD, I was looking for longs in this one, but right now the environment is completely bearish. I'll be waiting for price to give a clear breakout structure above this high and a closure above the 200 EMA. Let's see how it unfolds. We don't have anything clear right now. We're just keeping it. DXY bias is bearish, obviously. Euro JPY, we just created a new high, so there is nothing clean. I'll be waiting for a corrective phase downside so that I can plan for longs. But right now, we're just into a end point of an impulsive move, so I'm just keeping it. I'm currently holding a long position in GBP JPY. It's floating with a 2.5 hour profit, and I'm expecting price to go above this high during the next London session. Yeah, during the next London session, I'll be waiting for price to clear this highs. I'm thinking about trailing my stop loss at break even for this trade, and yeah, let's see how it unfolds. So yeah, that's all from my side, guys. It's not that there is nothing interesting for now. Let's recap the whole thing. We don't have anything in Euro USD. We'll be waiting for a corrective phase down. GBP USD, same story, corrective phase down, waiting for a corrective phase down. Same story for gold too. Same. I'm waiting for a corrective phase up in USD CHF so that I can plan for a short and target towards this low. Even though this area looks like a really strong area of support, but possibly if the weekly candle managed to close like this, in that case, we can possibly look for uh, shorts in the next week, because in that case, our weekly bias will be bearish. And USD JPY, I'm planning for a long, but I'm aware that the Dixie bias is bearish. It's possible that it's gonna keep if it's gonna keep moving towards upside and downside and clear my stops. But as I'm already up by 9 hours, so I afford that risk. Uh, there is nothing interesting in USD CAD. Yeah, I'm just gonna let my positions run in GBP JPY. I'm gonna trail my stop at entry for GBP JPY. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the session, and see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.